Hello viewers, in this video I will tell you, can welding really make you blind? It is pertinent to mention that welders may face many risks throughout their career, out of which 60% are related to eye injuries. Welding may ruin your eyes, or could make you blind as well. Many risks are associated with the welding that can be fatal for your eyesight. The fumes and gases emitted from the molten zinc or galvanized metal, infrared radiation, ultraviolet rays, thermal burns, etc., may cause serious health hazards. The usual welding temperature is between 6,500 F to 10,000 F. Welders are not more than a few inches away from the welding area. This means the eyes are exposed directly to the welding conditions. Direct exposure to ultraviolet, UV, and infrared rays, IR, emitted from welding arcs, and molten metal, could damage your eye and cause vision loss. Furthermore, the scattered metal particles can significantly contribute to your eye injury, while grinding, scraping, brushing, and chipping. Not to forget that brightness, heat, and fumes may also cause specific problems to the eye. There are three bands of UV radiation. 1. UVA wavelength, 315,400 nm. 2. UVB wavelength, 280,315 nm. 3. UVC wavelength, 100,280 nm. The cornea blocks UV rays wavelengths shorter than 295 nanometers from entering the eye, and the crystalline lens blocks those below 400 nanometers. Although UVA can be observed in the eye lens, UV, visible light, and IR radiation can get to the retina, thus causing eye injury or blindness. If you use low-quality welding goggles for welding, or ignore having proper PPE, you might get severe damage to the eyes. You can never escape the fact that long-term exposure to UV radiation can cause temporary or complete blindness. Apart from blindness, you may encounter a lot of other eye problems like cataracts, photokeratitis, pterygium, surfer's eye, flash burns, welder's flash, blur vision, sensation like sand in the eyes, tearing, dryness, itching, and bloodshot eyes. Thanks for watching.